Hello and welcome back to Ajayasthomani Guru. I'm Ria, and in this special report, we are bringing you a detailed, descriptive analysis of the latest movements and forward-looking forecast for the black pepper commodity market. Let's unravel the forces at play, examining both the domestic scene and crucial international developments. Across the main trading centers in Kerala, domestic black pepper prices have held remarkably steady for the third consecutive session. This stability, however, is a delicate equilibrium achieved by two opposing market pressures. On one side, we are witnessing persistently subdued buying interest from traders and processors, which naturally pulls prices lower. On the other side, arrivals in the market have declined. On Monday, only about 31 tons reached the centers, a noticeable drop compared to the 40 tons seen in the previous session. While lower supply usually boosts prices, the overall market sentiment remains weak. Despite the soft undercurrent domestically, trade sources indicate that there is a vital source of support: the rising global black pepper quotations. This international firmness acts as a floor, preventing domestic prices from collapsing sharply. Furthermore, there is a silver lining on the export front. Key destinations, including markets in the Middle East, the US, and Europe, are expected to increase their sourcing, which should inject a much-needed positive tone into the market, counterbalancing the existing domestic sluggishness. Moving to the international landscape, the major exporter Vietnam is also reporting a steady trend, with their black pepper prices quoted robustly between 149,000 and 150,000 Vietnamese dong per kilogram. This firmness in Vietnam is a clear reflection of consistent global buying interest and a general tightening of supplies worldwide. A key seasonal factor to consider right now is the coffee harvest. As farmers turn their focus towards harvesting and selling coffee, their attention and inventory of black pepper is temporarily diverted. This shift in agricultural priority is likely to provide a short-term supportive cushion for domestic black pepper prices here in India. To give you the exact figures, the current price overview shows ungarbled black pepper in Kochi at 69,300 rupees per quintal, while garbled is quoted at 71,300. The 500 GL grade stands at 68,300 rupees. In Karnataka, both Kushalnagar and Chikmagaluru are trading in the range of 68,900 to 71,400 rupees per quintal. Internationally, the FOB quotes for Brazil Asta are $6,175 per metric ton. Vietnam's 500 GL is at $6,500 and the 550 GL grade is at $6,700 per metric ton. Indonesia's Asta is quoted higher at $7,136 and Malaysia's price is 9,200 ringgit per metric ton. In summary, the black pepper market is currently suspended between internal weak demand and external supportive cues. The crucial factor to monitor in the coming weeks will be the actualization of the expected rise in export demand, which could provide the necessary catalyst for a change in trend. Thank you for tuning into Ajayasthomani Guru for this detailed commodity analysis. We urge you to keep a close watch on these global developments. Do you agree with our outlook? Let us know in the comments below.
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ, आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो, अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
পটল পোস্ত আর সর্ষে ইলিশ ভাপা। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झाग, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।